In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to set up a Facebook ads account so you can get started making lots of money on the most powerful marketing platform on earth. I'm Jamie Stenton, the Managing Director of Lilac James, a 25-person full-service digital marketing agency from the UK. And on this channel, we talk about all things digital advertising and digital marketing. So hit that follow button because unlike most YouTubers, we live this stuff 24/7 and we're bloody good at it. Now we've hyperlinked everything in the description section so you can jump around and find exactly what you need. As for this video, we need to start with the basics. So to have a Facebook ads account, you first need a personal Facebook profile. Okay, if you want to start a Facebook ads manager account, the first thing that you need is a Facebook profile. So if you don't have one, it's really simple. Go to facebook.com. You should see this screen here and you just click create new account. I'm not going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough of how to do that because it is super simple and I need to keep this video flowing. Once you have done that, you can come into business.facebook.com and if you don't have a business manager account, you click here, create new account. Now, you should be able to then sign in with the personal profile that you have just set up on Facebook. So this is a personal profile that is then attached to the business manager. Okay, so this is what the internal part of your Facebook business manager will look like, and you are going to need a business Facebook page. So let me show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and you're going to click settings. Okay, so don't forget when you come into your business manager, because it's new, it's going to look different to ours because ours is an established one and it's an agency one. So everything's going to be in the same place, like all down here. So this is where you're going to access all of your different assets, and I want you to come down here to pages. And when you have come to pages, select add. And you can either add an existing Facebook page, if you've already created one, a business page that exists somewhere else, you can import that to your business manager. You can request shared access, or you can create a new page. And then all you're going to do is you're going to go through the basic steps. So you're going to name the page, you're going to select the business category, you're going to write a bio, etc. That will then need setting up. All the advertising you do, if your page doesn't look the part, if it's not on brand with your business, then you're going to put people off. People aren't going to buy from you until they can see that you're a professional established business, which we teach you all about on this channel. So now you've got a page, you have a business manager, you have your personal profile that's connected all of it together. It's all nice and simple. Really, you do want an Instagram account as well, so you can select down here to Instagram accounts and you can click add again and you can add an Instagram account in there. So that's nice and simple, and you're going to have the same options to either import one in, or I would suggest you create it through the system because then it'll all sync together much easier. And then the final step to create the ad account, which you've all come here for, is you're going to click down here at add accounts. You're going to come over here, select add, and you can either create a new ad account, you can add an existing ad account, or you can request access. I'm going to click add, and then you need to name it. You need to name that ad account. It's important that you don't have to put anything in there, but it's important that you do, because in time, if you've got several different businesses, you need to be able to search for these ad accounts, and it's really difficult to do if they're all just a mismatch of random numbers, because that's what it will assign unless you give it an ad account name. You select your time zone, select the currency that you want in, and you click next. It really is that simple, but you do need those assets in place before you can create that ads manager account. An ads manager account is where you do proper advertising on the Meta platform, which is what we teach on this channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe. It's not the same as boosting. Boosting is completely different. We have a video all about the difference between boosting and advertising, and when then you click on here, I mean, you can see all the various ad accounts that we're managing as part of our agency, but you will just have one in there, the ad account that you have just created. To find it, then you can just quite simply Google Facebook Ads Manager. You can then click in to the Meta Ads Manager, click into the Meta Ads Manager, click go to Ads Manager, and that will take you exactly where you need to go. If you select campaigns, this is where you're going to see, this is just a silly little test account that we use a lot of the time for videos, which is why lots of things are showing in draft and delivery error and all of that, because there's no payment methods set up with this. So that's it. That's all you need to do. So I hope that helps. That shows you step by step, very quickly, everything that you need to do. It is dead straightforward, but do take the time to do it properly. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we'll show you how you can make thousands and thousands and millions of pounds with this platform, and we'll see you next time.